The roar of chainsaws, the rumble of working forestry machines, the strength of steel and technology blend together, creating an intense symphony in the midst of majestic nature. Prepare yourself for an exciting journey where every moment carries a strong imprint. This worker's technique of cutting trees is incredible. With skillful hands, he creates perfect cuts. This is a skill that only experienced people have. The Wallenstein WP845 woodworking machine is a useful friend in wood sawing work. Equipped with accurate measurements, the machine makes it easy to cut even logs. Not only that, with a sharp saw blade, the machine continues to cut each log into wood quickly and efficiently. B-Mulcher. Ahui RT800 is a powerful wood-crushing monster. Equipped with a powerful engine system, it is capable of crushing everything in a short time, regardless of whether it is a stump or a twig. This is really the perfect choice for wood removal tasks, which increases productivity and saves time. With the ability to combine the flexible use of tools, this worker easily cuts down large trees quickly and efficiently. This is a skill that only skilled workers can do. Although the Bobcat machine is small in size, its workability is truly amazing. Equipped with a powerful crane motor, it seems that every large log is pulled by it easily. Besides, the sturdy wheel system also makes it easy to move on complex terrains. It is truly the perfect choice for wood pulling tasks, which increases productivity and saves time. Transporting timber through tight bends has always been a daunting task for timber drivers. However, with his seasoned experience and skillful driving techniques, this driver created an impressive performance. The Pilkamaster EVO36 woodworking machine is a formidable wood destroyer. In a short time, the machine turned a large log into wood chips. Besides, the automatic wood feeder also makes cutting wood easier than ever. Removing overhead branches is always a difficult and dangerous task, requiring bravery on the part of the worker. However, with seasoned experience and skillful techniques, this worker quickly handles excess branches efficiently and safely. are a testament to the great power of human beings. Without the need for modern machinery, they easily split wood with an axe. In addition, they are also proficient in using traditional saws to cut wood. Transporting timber on dirt roads has always been a challenge for timber trailers. But with a powerful wood clamp motor, it is capable of pulling large trees efficiently. In addition, the wheel system is large and sturdy. This car is easy to move on rugged terrain. The Morbark machine is a powerful wood-crushing monster. In just a short time, it easily turns tree branches into wood chips quickly. It is the perfect choice for wood handling tasks, saving time and effort. In the process of cutting down trees, coordination with teammates is extremely important. Together, these workers create an efficient workflow that increases productivity and saves time.
We're tangled up here.
Pull back the tree, don't it? Pääsee Scania-miehet ilkkumaan, kun
Timber trucks combined with cranes are the perfect duo in forestry. The smooth combination of the two machines from the process of transportation to arrangement helps increase productivity, work efficiency, and save time. This crane machine is the unsung hero in the wood workshop. With the ability to work non-stop, the machine helps to arrange logs efficiently. This is really a useful tool, worthy of becoming a legend in the forestry industry. This machine is a powerful lumberjack. In just a short time, it effectively turned a log into evenly distributed logs of wood. This is an impressive combination of chopping trees by skilled workers. In the process of cutting down trees, it is special that everyone uses traditional tools such as axes and hand saws. In the end, with effort and solidarity, they succeeded in cutting down this big tree. There seemed to be no obstacle to stop this timber truck. This is truly a perfect multi-purpose machine. Not only is it capable of cutting wood into even pieces, but it also turns them into logs of wood efficiently and quickly. This powerful machine deserves to be a legend in the forestry industry. This machine is a perfect multi-purpose machine. With its powerful cutting motor, it is not only capable of cutting tall branches, but also uprooting a large tree. Not only that, but it can also pluck branches, revealing a bare trunk. This is really a perfect choice for tree handling tasks, which saves time and effort. This timber truck is a powerful timber transport warrior. Equipped with a sturdy wheel system, it easily overcomes muddy dirt roads. In addition, the powerful crane motor helps the vehicle move large trees quickly. This is really a useful machine, worthy of becoming a legend in the forestry industry. Under the driver's brave steering wheel and superior wheel system, this road seems to be unable to make it difficult for them. Every precise steering, every step of the throttle decisively brings the car firmly through the mud with ease. This machine is a monster that uprooted trees. Equipped with a powerful motor system, the machine easily removes trees quickly and efficiently. This is really the perfect solution for the task of clearing the soil, which saves time and effort. Cranes combined with timber trucks are the perfect duo in forestry. The seamless combination of the two machines from wood stacking to transportation increases productivity, efficiency, and saves time. In the process of grinding wood, the integration of additional hooks offers many practical benefits. The hook holds the material firmly, helping to put the wood into the crushing chamber in the right position and more stable. This contributes to reducing the risk of blockages, limiting material spillage, and helping the machine operate smoothly and continuously. The HTZ 1200 is like a monster on a lumber cutting mission. Equipped with a sharp saw blade, it easily handles rough wood surfaces, removing the rough crust quickly and accurately. Thanks to its powerful and stable operation, the HTZ 1200 helps to increase productivity, save time, and bring optimal efficiency to woodworking work. Bandit Beast 2680 is a powerful wood-crushing monster. In just a short time, the machine easily turns large tree trunks into wood chips. It is the perfect solution for wood handling tasks, helping to increase productivity and save time. The Bandit 2550T is the perfect multi-purpose machine. Equipped with a sharp saw blade system, it easily turns tree stumps into wood chips in a short time. Besides, the iron is integrated at the back to help level wood chips quickly and efficiently. It is indeed a perfect choice for soil clearing tasks, which increases productivity and saves time. The Albach Diamant 2000 machine is a wood-crushing monster. In just a short time, it easily turns each log into wood chips. In addition, the Albach Diamant 2000 is also equipped with a powerful crane motor, which helps move wood quickly and efficiently. When faced with muddy roads that are difficult for machinery to move, using horses to pull wood is still the optimal option. Under methodical and professional training, the horses become effective partners, bringing outstanding productivity in transporting wood. Transporting timber in the woods has always been a challenge for timber drivers. However, with extensive experience and skillful driving techniques, this driver still managed to cross the rough forest road safely. Cutting logs into even slices requires the worker to have accurate cutting techniques. This is a skill that only experienced people can acquire. Wood crushing will become simple if you own the DW3060 machine. In just a short time, the machine easily turns logs into wood chips. It is the perfect solution for wood handling tasks, saving time and effort.